You're just gonna leave me out here on my own, huh? All right, buddy. All right. It's cold. It's time to get a nice piping hot cup of French pressed coffee. Boil some water and get to it. Ooh. Ooh. Some coffee going. We're boiling, ready to go. Oh, throw some cinnamon in there. Cinnamon truss. That's good. Let's go. That quite quite a lot to set up there. Uh, kind of nice to have this hot cup of coffee because it's really starting to get cold now, and Good thing I got me a powerful, like a sun lamp heater thing in there. And yeah, I don't know how safe that is. I definitely am not recommending it to anybody. But until I can get me a nice insulated tent, I need a nice powerful heater. So yeah, I'm happy that I'm actually out here doing this. I've always wanted to. I love to get out there in nature. And I have a daughter. She's 7 months old now, little Isla, and a wife. And I would love to start just making great memories for her growing up, especially when she can start to remember things. So I would like to be able to film a lot of our family trips to have memories in the future. You know, it'd be so cool. How cool would that be to just pop open a YouTube video and look at some of your favorite memories growing up? I think that's a really cool idea. So hopefully I can get pretty, well, not pretty good, but at least better than what I'm at now at doing this. Because I don't know if I could make a good video. There's a lot to it. But yeah, hopefully I can start doing this more frequently. It's kind of tough because, you know, I work at a steel tubing mill and you get like a week to 2 weeks off a year, and that can be really challenging to make some cool videos. It's my dream to really go out to like Oregon and Washington, the Pacific Northwest. A lot of those mountains are just so beautiful. You know, I see tons of campers on YouTube going out there and it looks really awesome. Super scenic. So hopefully someday I could make it out there and make a video out there. But with that being said, I am really grateful for my job. I really am. I'm truly blessed. But obviously, it's nobody's passion to make a form a steel tube. So who knows? Maybe I'll hit the lottery. Maybe God will bless me and blow this channel up. But not banking on it. It's mainly just for memories for myself and my family. So bear with me on the quality of the video. It's hot. It's really hot and it's really bad because I made it wrong, but I'll cut that out. All right, now comes the time that me and Brutus have been waiting for. Salt. Salt on there. About 1.5 to 2 inch steak. Gotta love it. Okay. All right, buddy. It's cooled up enough. And I forgot to bring you a bowl, so here you go. Now it's my turn.